In terms of our objectives, we have three core activities. So this is across EMEA, but also in Africa. The first is the provision of standardized loan documentation for use in the syndicated loan markets. So these are legal templates and other documents that are used to facilitate syndicated loan transactions in a more efficient and transparent way. And our second objective is events and education. So we run an ongoing program of training events, commercially oriented conferences across South Africa, Kenya and Nigeria. So those are the three regional centers that we focus on. And then our third objective is also to work very closely with regulators, and we involve ourselves in lobbying activity on behalf of our member institutions to try and identify potential areas in which regulation might impact negatively on the loan product, and try and work very closely with regulators to highlight those issues. But our principal aim is to develop the liquidity in the loan markets in Africa and EMEA more broadly. It's an important event in the calendar in that it brings together loan market professionals, but also exposes us to developments in the bond space. And so from a networking and market awareness perspective, it's an unrivaled event in terms of the ability to connect with professionals in this market, but also to get insight into commercial developments. I consider myself to be somewhat of a macro junkie, so I really enjoyed the presentations from Fitch, and today on the second day from Rand Merchant Bank, I really enjoyed the insight into developments in the capital markets and the macro economy, the global economy. So focusing on issues such as a potential hike in the interest rates from the Federal Reserve, the impact of commodity price decline, such as the oil price. So I find those big picture themes to be really interesting, and the speakers that GFC chose for those topics were very articulate, very dynamic individuals, and I was very impressed with the analysis.